Tertill's wheels are a very important part of its weed prevention. Most of the time, there's no reason to take off the wheels, but there are occasions when it is necessary, such as when there's something wound around one of the wheels or you need to replace them for wear. First, turn off the robot by pressing down on the button for about 10 seconds until you hear the descending tone and the LEDs go off. Then turn the robot over and place it on a surface that won't scratch the solar panel. Here I'm using a towel. Then, using the wrench that came with the robot, rotate the nut in a counterclockwise motion till it can be removed. Now you can slide the wheel off the axle and clean both the wheel and the axle of any mud and debris. To replace it, reverse the process. Don't forget the washer. Tighten the nut with a clockwise motion, being careful not to over-tighten it. Now you're ready to go.